Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be giving you guys my daily watch list. So first let's begin by looking at the market. So as you can see, we had a dip back to the SMA 50 line, and then we were starting to recover, but now in pre-market it's starting to dip all the way to 410. This could be a bad sign. So the first stock to look at is ZKIN. So as you can see here, we had a really strong support area right here, because here we had bounced off with consolidation here. That means there's strong resistance and it's supposed to be strong support over here. So if we get a breakout above this line with some volume, this might be a good one to play. Next one is ETSY. I talked about this in the last video, but it didn't really move that much. They had earnings, but the stock went down after their earnings report. But as you can see here, we have two really strong support lines. One right here, and then this broke out right here, and one right here. So if we get a breakout above this, we could see all the way up to like 200. Next stock, MXC. This stock usually just trades flatly, and then like right here, we got some good news, and then it just go up a lot. But as you can see, overall, it's just moving upward on this trend line, and then just pop after like a really good news report. So a really good place to enter would be somewhere right here. Next one, CCL, is good recovery play for COVID, but also good swing trade right here, because as you can see, we bounced off the 100 moving average right here, and then we're moving up, and we could touch this resistance area right here. Next stock is GNUS. So as you can see, we have a really nice support line right here. We were consolidated right here, and consolidate right here, and we're in the same area as that. So we got confirmation of reversal. As you can see, 4-hour chart, we got reversal. So this looks good, and if it can break this resistance line, it could go all the way to the $3 range. Next stock, SUMO. As you can see, it broke the 52-week low right here, but now it's fighting some resistance in this area right here. I mean, support in that area, so this could reverse and go up to here, and then you break out from there. Next stock is Square. As you can see here, we have a really nice support area right here, and also we have the 200-day moving average, which it basically bounced off on Friday, and we could still see some move all the way up all the way up to 250 area. Next stock, Walgreens. Talked about it last week and the week before that, but just moving up slowly. We just was moving up right here slowly, like 1% a day, and then it just went down because the market went down. But now we're moving back up, and we could see the price go back to the top of the trend line and back down. MTRX, this is on our watch list on things to short, and as you can see, it reached my price target, which was this area, but now it's consolidating on the support area, and now it's back down here. So now we could play it again and sell at this resistance area. Next stock is QD. It's a penny stock, but has a good pattern because it's in a wedge right here. As you can see, this is the top of the wedge, reverse over here and here. And here we, at the start of its run over here, we had a bounce off here, and we're consolidating right here. So we could see a move to this resistance level, this one, or this one. So those are like your 3 take profit levels. So you can see here, this one I talked about last week too, on you should short, and as you can see, it went down, basically forming cup and this is basically forming cup and handle. This is the cup, this is the handle, and now it's moving back up, and we could see a breakout from there. Next stock is Tesla. So this is another support area right here. It had some difficulty breaking that. And right here it bounced off. Right now here it's starting to bounce off. And also we have 200 moving day average right there, which is also another support area. Like right here it bounced off nicely, so we could see another bounce right here. APRE is another stock, and as you can see, we are also another wedge, but this one be careful because it could break downward or could break up. So basically go on the 4-hour chart, and if you get a candle that closes above this, closes above this line, that means you should buy. But if it closes below, right here, if it closes below, you should short. THVR, basically this stock basically trades flatly, and then as soon as news hits, it'll just go really high. And as you can see, it doesn't trade it like moves like 0.1%, and then once it gets a news article about it, then it moves up like 20% in a day. So it's like kind of like a safe option. And last stock is ARCE. As you can see, we're like, it's a kind of an IPO stock, but as you can see, we're basing it at the levels of when the stock was an IPO. So like right here, this is when the stock opened, and the stock is finding support in that area. So we had a bounce right here, and we could see a bounce right here, but let's wait for confirmation on that. As you can see, we were in a downward, so as you can see this trend line, we were in a downward trend, but it kind of like didn't find this as support, it found this line as support, so we could see another uptrend. But that's it. Thanks for watching, and